All right. Hey folks, so I'm just here in the chem room to give you, get you a video essentially for you to be able to take your observations of the magnesium from the video. So I'm going to first start with magnesium that has not been reacted. So that's my first thing. So I'll go ahead and let me put my lab goggles on. Okay, cool. Let's take a look. So here is magnesium. Notice a few things about the color. I'll move the stuff around a little bit just so you can see it maybe a teeny bit better. But look for the color, and I would look for maybe like this general kind of shape that you're seeing. All of those are good. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and I'll set up the, put this into the crucible, and we'll heat it up. All right, this is what the setup looks like. I just wanted to point it out and show you. So you've got your Bunsen burner below, so right there. And then you've got, this is what's called a ring stand. There's a porcelain triangle right here. And then right here is the crucible, and inside the crucible is the magnesium. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll turn on the Bunsen burner. Okay, I know it's hard to tell, but the Bunsen burner is on. I'm gonna actually show you kind of the bottom of the crucible. You don't need to have observations of this. But it's kind of cool to see that the crucible itself is going to kind of start changing colors. Usually that's a pretty good indicator about what reaction is happening and how hot the crucible is. So you're going to see that happen hopefully soon. Yeah, I can start seeing, I know it's a little hard to pick up on the camera, but outside of the camera I'm starting to see that it's starting to get like a little bit red. A little bit red-orange. We'll see it heat up more in just a second. There we go. Now you can see it more on the camera. See how it's starting to get that kind of like cool, glowy, red-orangey color? Okay. So that's actually going to say something then about what's happening inside. I know it's pretty bright. I'm actually going to turn off sorry, I'm trying to get the best contrast for you just so you can see this a little bit better. It's pretty bright. Ooh, it's getting really bright, so I'm going to actually take it off camera so you don't stare at it. Okay, we're getting close. All right, I can show you inside again. It's not glowing as much. That looks really neat. So you can even already see at this point, there's been a pretty drastic color change. And as this cools down a little bit more, you're going to see more of that. Okay, so this is actually what I would want you to have the observations of, where it says the magnesium, that the magnesium after the reaction, this is what it would look like. So get a little bit closer. It's still pretty hot, so I don't want to get too close. This is what it looks like. Okay, cool. So make sure you add that to your data table. And yeah, just feel free to ask me any questions and I'm happy to help. All right, I'll see you. Bye.